The art of cooking is what inspires us every day. The seasonings brought to the table, creativity, transformation, and tradition. In 1971, in Farroupilha, one of the main companies in the domestic utensils sector in the America would soon be developed, Tramontina Farroupilha. This recipe for success could not be created alone. We have more than 700 professionals who share with us the commitment to create technological products with original design. Furthermore, knowing that one of the main ingredients of life is environmental well-being, we do not leave this concern aside. We are committed to reuse materials and invest in increasingly better production process. Along with this, Tramontina Farroupilha brings the most modern with a state-of-the-art automation and the equipment. We produce more than 2,000 items in 6 lines. Saucepans, serving, portable electronics, thermal bottles, flatware and equipment for professional kitchens. At all stages, quality is the main ingredient, with generous sprinkles of transparency and trust. The results of this whole mix could not be different. A place that values human relationships and connections. At Tramontina Farroupilha, we seek to be part of your story, in what is more meaningful than the moments shared around the table. Our mission is to support these memories, taking care of every detail so that our products are synonymous with trust, technology, and innovative design in homes around the world. Whether in the kitchen at home or in the most renowned restaurants in the city, we are there, creating special experiences.